And we are the creators of Let's Sign.
Those who are hard of hearing and those who are not are having a difficult time to communicate with each other.
Let's Sign is a user-friendly app that is compatible with all devices. It is affordable, efficient, and easy to use in any situation. Let's take a look.
What makes our product unique is that most apps out there are one-way translators. Let's Sign translates both ways. It is communication between hearing and non-hearing individuals, especially in situations of emergency.
In North America alone, more than 1 million people are hard of hearing or deaf. So what happens if a person of hearing wants to communicate with a person who is hard of hearing? Well, the app has two options. The first being translating sound into someone signing, and the second being translating signing into sound. The first method has the app pick up sound through the device and converts the sound into digital data that is then displayed as hand gestures resembling signing. The second method detects the motion of a person signing through the device's camera and translates the signing into sound.
With Let's Sign, we hope to better communication between hearing and non-hearing communities.
Let's Sign is a work in progress. With your support, we can improve and expand.
If you want to reach out for us, make sure you check out our Instagram page, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.
From all of us here from Let's Sign, thank you and bye.